When it's cold outside, nothing beats a warm fire inside. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about making sure your chimney is safe this season right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. Before you light that first fire this year, you should know that a dirty, damaged, or blocked chimney can lead to a chimney fire or carbon monoxide poisoning in your home. So it's important to have yours checked for your family's safety. The Chimney Safety Institute of America and the National Fire Protection Association recommend that homeowners get their chimneys checked at least once a year by a CSIA certified chimney sweep. These professionals undergo rigorous testing that examines their knowledge of codes, practices, and standards of the trade. To ensure the best service check, be sure the company has a valid liability insurance policy. Also ask if the company is a member of the National Chimney Sweep Guild and make sure the sweep certification is current. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.